everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. Let's get started. Please note that the Telegram application itself does not have an option to enable or disable sensitive content filtering. However, you can make changes through the web version of Telegram. Open your web browser and type web Telegram in the URL bar. Click on the link that says Telegram web to access the web version of Telegram. Once you're on the Telegram web page, click on the three lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Then, click on Settings. Scroll down in the Settings menu and click on Privacy and Security. Continue scrolling until you see the Sensitive Content section. Here you will find the option to enable or disable the filtering or sensitive content. To enable sensitive content on Telegram, simply check the box that says Disable Filtering. This will turn off the sensitive content filter. That's it for this tutorial. If this video was helpful, please leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.